One morning, Ragdoll woke up with her head full of wobblies that just wouldn't go away. And all she could think about was her wobbly head, which was really too bad because China Doll was trying out her new magic scarf dance. To make the magic work, she stamped her foot 3 times. 1, 2, 3. With that, Ballerina began to dance a wonderful, enchanted dance. The more Ragdoll danced, the more the wobblies went away. And to make the dance stop, China Doll clapped twice. 1, 2. But the dance stopped just as Ragdoll was starting to feel better.
Hey, what happened?
Ragdoll wanted to dance again because it made her head feel better. But the magic wasn't working.
The magic only works when Ballerina wears the scarf.
Ragdoll didn't care who danced, just get that magic dance going. China Doll tried to explain that enchanted dancing was very exhausting for the ballerina, but Ragdoll's head was so wobbly, she didn't really pay attention.
It's all right. For Ragdoll, I will dance again.
Again, Ragdoll didn't pay attention as China Doll counted. 1, 2, 3. Dancing the Enchanted Scarf dance made Ragdoll's wobblies almost go away. She was so relieved. She clapped once, then twice.
Why did it stop?
Ballerina, are you all right?
The dance had made Ballerina very tired. Tea would be good. But Ragdoll didn't notice anything because of the wobblies in her head. If only she could dance with the magic scarf one more time. Where was China Doll? She could make the magic scarf dance start again. Ragdoll could start the magic scarf dance herself. But how? Was it once? Was it twice? Yes, it was 3 times. It wasn't long before Ragdoll had danced her wobblies right away.
Thank you. Wobblies are gone, Ballerina. You can stop now.
Ragdoll didn't know how to make her stop dancing. She tried everything she could think of. Was it jumping up and down? Was it twitching her nose? Was it flapping her arms? But Ballerina kept on dancing. By now, Ballerina was so very tired, but she could not stop. China Doll came back just in time. She clapped twice. At last, the dancing stopped.
It's all right, Ragdoll. I'm just glad your wobblies are gone.
And from that day on, even if she had a wobbly head, Ragdoll paid close attention, especially if a magic scarf was involved.
Subscribe to the Toy Castle and make sure to click on the notification bell to find out first when new videos are posted.